Did you know using quality essential oils on your skin, also referred to as topical use, is one of the most popular ways to receive their benefits for both the skin and beyond? And in today's video, I'm going to dive into how to use essential oils on our largest organ, the skin. In this video, I will cover dilution, safety, and different ways that I use essential oils in a topical application for the health of my skin as well as other needs. When used correctly, essential oils can provide healthier, protected, and more radiant skin. But first, if you're new to essential oils and need some clarity as to what they even are, inside many plants, hidden in the roots, the seeds, flowers, fruit, or bark, are concentrated, highly potent chemical compounds. These naturally occurring compounds are essential oils, which have both natural aroma and health benefits. Some essential oil aromas are soothing or grounding, while others are energizing, warming, and invigorating. While all essential oils have unique differences, all doTERRA essential oils are naturally sourced. The huge variety of available essential oils allows you to effectively maintain wellness in a naturally sourced way and address your specific wants and needs. Now, when it comes to skin, many essential oils contain chemical components that are useful for naturally cleansing and purifying, others that are useful for reducing the appearance of skin imperfections, soothing irritated skin, cleansing oily skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, or blemishes, and more. Essential oil benefits are determined by the chemistry of the plant, and if these natural chemical compounds are properly extracted, they can be used to help you in your everyday life. Essential oils are a lipid-soluble substance, which allows them to penetrate the skin easily. While essential oils absorb easily into the skin, you can increase absorption and extend the benefits of the oils by massaging the oil into the skin, or by using a carrier oil that will dilute the essential oil and moisturize the skin as the oil absorbs. So let's talk about dilution and carrier oils. When it comes to safe topical use of essential oils, dilution is one of the most important principles to understand. Some worry that diluting an essential oil before applying will take away from its benefits. However, dilution actually makes for better absorption into the skin, extending benefits for even longer. By diluting your essential oil with a carrier oil, you slow the rate of evaporation, enhance absorption into the skin, also increase the surface area of absorption, and protect any sensitive or delicate skin. When I say slow the rate of evaporation, what I mean is essential oils are volatile compounds. Therefore, some of these compounds will evaporate or actually flash off the skin when applied undiluted. But when applied with a carrier oil, more of these compounds remain to absorb into the skin, so you receive more benefit. In the world of essential oils, a carrier oil is an oil that literally carries essential oils to the desired area on the skin, which is why you can cover a larger surface area. When you dilute an essential oil with a carrier oil, it will dilute the potency of the oil. However, it will increase the absorption into the skin, which will ultimately allow you to maximize the benefits that the essential oil has to offer. Ideally, a carrier oil should be a pure vegetable oil, such as coconut oil, olive oil, avocado, walnut, and sweet almond. In most cases, carrier oils contain chemical components that can oxidize over time. You may notice oils that have been fractionated to help prolong the shelf life of the carrier oil. doTERRA uses fractionated coconut oil as a carrier oil due to its long shelf life and because it has a non-greasy, lightweight feel. It also removes the smell of the carrier, so you only smell the essential oil or oils that you're deciding to use. Different approaches to using a carrier oil with your essential oils include: Number 1, if you were giving someone a back massage, you could first coat their back with a carrier oil and then apply drops of the essential oil or oils that you're going to use. Number 2, let's say I was having some discomfort in an area on my leg and wanted to massage an essential oil that would be soothing, such as wintergreen, and any other essential oils that I may be using. I could first add a little puddle of fractionated coconut oil to the palm of my hand, then add in drops of wintergreen, and then massage it into the leg or any other area of the body that I wanted to address. Number 3, if I want to receive the anti-aging benefits of essential oils on my face, I'll add specific essential oils to my facial moisturizer using the moisturizer as the carrier. And this is in addition to using the doTERRA skincare line that also has essential oils in every step of the facial system. And number 4, rollers are a very popular and easy way to apply to small areas of the body or on children. Let's say I wanted to use doTERRA's Adaptive Calming Blend with 8 essential oils in a base of fractionated coconut oil. And this is going to be both calming and uplifting. I may want to grab this midday, apply it to the back of my neck and or my wrists, and enjoy this peaceful aroma, which will help ground and uplift me. And since it includes oils such as lavender, neroli, and copaiba, it will also be beneficial for my skin at the same time. I use the essential oils in all the ways I just described. Keep in mind that essential oils are extremely potent, so when it comes to topical application, it is best to apply several small doses throughout the day as opposed to a single large dose. And that's why I probably use the rollers more than anything throughout the day. I can choose from a wide variety of pre-made doTERRA rollers like the Adaptive that I mentioned, or ones that I've created myself for my specific needs to roll on as needed. And we typically use 10 ml rollers, but you can also get 5 ml rollers. Recommended dilution ratio is anywhere between 3 to 10 drops carrier to 1 drop essential oil, depending on skin sensitivity and the oils that you're using. If you're making a roller blend in a 10 ml roller, 20 to 25 drops total essential oils, and that can be a combination of 1 or more essential oils totaling that number, with the rest carrier oil is a good ratio for adults. And doTERRA also has a line of rollers that are specifically designed and diluted for children. So when my grandchildren have a need, I love the doTERRA Kids Collection oils that are perfectly suited for them. And there are 7 to choose from, each providing a specific targeted benefit. One we use a lot is the Calmer Restful Blend containing lavender, kananga, Buddha wood, and Roman chamomile in a base of fractionated coconut oil, which is targeted for feelings of relaxation and restful sleep. Great for evenings when it's time to wind down. But the oils in this blend are also beneficial to the skin. So when my granddaughter has minor skin irritations, which kids often have, we will use this roller, which is great for both her skin and to help give her those calming benefits, and she loves it. My older granddaughter is more active, so for her I find we are more often grabbing the Rescuer blend, which is soothing and great to use after a day of physical activity. Because most essential oils on the market are adulterated, even when labeled 100% pure, I'm only referring to doTERRA essential oils in my discussion of using them on your skin for both safety and efficacy. And remember, whatever you put on you, you put in you, because anything you put on your skin is absorbed into your bloodstream. So quality matters. So now I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite habits for protecting and nourishing my skin. But first, stepping back 10 plus years ago when I was in my early to mid 40s and introduced to doTERRA essential oils, I was frustrated because of blemishes at that time. When I learned about the properties of essential oils and the purity of doTERRA, I went to work to find a solution. And what I found helpful was to make a face wash of Castile soap with added drops of lavender and tea tree essential oil. That was probably my first successful essential oil DIY. I'd like to highlight one more essential oil, which is one of my favorites for aging skin. Yaro Pal is a synergistic blend of 2 essential oils, Yarrow and pomegranate seed oil. It is expertly formulated specifically as a skincare essential oil. So as a botanical duo, it contains both floral yarrow and fruit pomegranate seed essential oils, chosen for their specific chemical constituents that specifically contribute to promoting healthy looking skin. It is the ultimate naturally sourced solution for essential oil skincare. So I will typically add 1 to 2 drops of this deep blue combo into my facial moisturizer. It includes the benefits you see here and has an earthy, calming aroma that I just love. And although it goes on the skin blue, it absorbs into the skin as you massage it in, so it won't leave you looking like a Smurf. Now let's talk about essential oil safety guidelines around topical use. Number 1, we want to avoid applying essential oils in sensitive areas like inside the nose, your inner ears or eyes, or broken skin. Number 2, there are some what we call hot oils because of their chemistry and should always be diluted, as the ones shown here. Otherwise, it will feel hot and uncomfortable on your skin. Also remember, after applying an oil, you will have that oil on your hands as well. So be careful not to rub your eyes right after applying oils topically, especially after applying a hot oil. But I want to add that these hotter oils are very beneficial to support your immune system. So applying them on the bottom of your feet is always a great idea, as that is our least sensitive area and therefore a great place to let these stronger oils enter the body and go to work on your behalf. And lastly, when it comes to safety, let's talk about sun sensitivity. Citrus oils, as shown here, contain a unique category of photosensitive compounds. So it is important to avoid exposure to sunlight, sun lamps, or other sources of UV light for up to 12 hours after topical application of these oils. So if you plan to spend a day at the beach or participate in other outdoor activities, where you'll be exposed to the sun, just make sure to plan accordingly. And if using an oil blend, just know which oils are in the blend, as it may also contain a citrus oil, and then you would want to take the same precaution. And since topical application doesn't only support the skin, here is a body chart showing some reasons you would apply essential oils on different areas of the body. Additional topical uses not shown here with some of doTERRA's powerhouse blends include applying Intune to the back of your neck for energy and clarity. Massage the Aroma Touch Massage Blend with a carrier onto your arms, wrists, legs, feet, or back to soothe tired, achy muscles, joints, and to promote healthy circulation. And apply doTERRA's Zendicrine detoxification blend over the liver in conjunction with the cleanse protocol or to support healthy function of the body's cleansing organs. Apply doTERRA's Serenity blend on the bottom of your feet and or back of neck to help with restful sleep. And apply doTERRA's Balance Grounding blend over your heart, wrists, and back of neck to promote harmony and tranquility in your environment any time of the day. I can go on and on about the many uses and benefits of using essential oils topically, as well as additional oils that support the skin. But I hope this gives you some guidelines to get started. And to learn more, you can always attend one of my online Zoom classes by registering through the link in the description of this video. And if you are looking for ways to consistently nurture mind-body wellness, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I hope you learned something helpful. Thanks again, and sending you much peace.